Hello, hi, this is Ryan Ahmed with you, and in this lesson I'm going to prove to you that you can make money from Androwish through using advertisements. What I mean is that yes, advertisements work with Androwish. And now I'm going to tell you the steps, but I'm going to show you that I'm not really lying, okay? This is the proof. This is lead bolt ads, and I'm using them. Now this is the app, and those are screenshots. I'm not going to run the emulator just just to show you that it's running. There's no need. You just understand. This is my app. It's just a cash register, point of sale app. Okay. This is quickly. I'm just scanning I'll give you a quick preview of the app. So this is the barcode. You put it. There are shortcuts to press just to add some items to sell. Okay, the app's still under construction. I'm just porting it from an app that I have on my website, superlinux.net, and you can just download the code, but I'm just shifting it and changing the way the buttons appear and the functionality a little bit, just to make it run on Android, because the keys on Android mostly depend on touch. So this is the list of items that are added. I've added here like Lux twice, number one, and just that. Next, and this is the exit button, so you can quit from here till here, go back anyway. And here's the virtual keyboard. Okay, so when I press 1, for example, although I'm not showing the number keyboard, okay, but I just understand when I press 1 it will add the barcode, okay, for the item to be sold. Now the F5, the F function keys that you usually see on a normal keyboard, they work, but not on mobile tablets, the mobile phones that you use to make calls, okay, not on the ones that are just only touch screens. You have to find a way just to add a normal keyboard so you can run them, or you can use a TV device, okay, that has Android on it, like Google TV device, Logitech Revo. So that's it. This is just like to see your incomes, like your progress, okay, in your shop, how good you are and how is your income going. This is a graph at the end. So that's the app basically. So this is like just to zoom things for you, okay. See, this is, I'm saying here, this is a lead bolt advertisements, same in Arabic, okay. And you see the app is in the back of this picture. This picture is the advertisement, and see there's the lead bolt signature here, okay, says ads by lead bolt, okay. See this handsome king, okay. So this is it really. So I'm using lead bolt, but you have to understand that at this time of this recording, most companies don't use TCL, because most of them don't know TCL that much, and they don't really deal with scripting languages just to do such things. So they depend on something like Java or C++ or C, okay, to do their work. So lead bolt here uses Java, and this is their website, www.leadbolt.network. See, lead, well, just for you to read it, lead bolt network, okay. So just understand, this is the address.net. Once you go there, you make a publisher account, okay. So you have to have a publisher account, because you are an app publisher, you're not an app advertiser on the app, okay. So you go to their website, you go to this address, publisher/SDK. So let's change it to here, okay. of this HTTPS. After you make a new account with them, you can use your own Google Plus account and as a login account, okay, or you can just register a new one with their own database of users. So publisher slash SDK, you will go and download your SDK. Okay, you'll find here at the bottom, I think, they will bid you a new SDK. It's a jar file. It's a library for Java. Okay, before here you go to this is the my own application made from the Hello TCL/TK skeleton that I've talked about, and you know, in every I mean, in this skeleton there is the libs folder, and you'll find my own lead vault package. You put it here, okay, and please don't forget we will use this name, this random name of the lead vault SDK. Okay, now yeah, we go back to our codes. You need to go to the sources folder, and of course there's the not this thing, sorry, the sources folder. Now I changed my my package name, okay, so please remember that you have to change your package name just for sake of publishing it on Google Play Store soon. Okay, so I open this and you must have this other Java file. Okay, we will talk about it because this runs in the background as a service. So let me open it also. We need it. So going back to our Hello TCL/TK Java file, this one comes like this. Let me show you. This comes like this, and it does not have this one. Those two lines, when you start, okay, they don't exist. Okay, so you will have to add those lines. Okay, copy paste them. Okay, and or pause your video, I mean, just to copy it. Okay, and I'm going to explain this code for you now. You have to override the onCreate method. Okay, so HelloTCL can start the add controller, and remember you have to use this random name of the package. So com dot the random name of the package, then this add controller class, and of course you have to add the OS bundle. Okay, because onCreate uses this, so it can pass this to the Androwish, which is already an activity, sort of an Android activity, which will run the basic activity because of the inheritance branching and tree. You know, you have to go deep that way. Okay, so from Hello TCL/TK to Androwish to the basic activity class. Okay, that's named activity, and I should make a new variable named add controller and controller, and then here I have to make lead vault ID. This ID you should get it from their website when you make a new let me show you. Here's my dashboard, my apps, sorry, the apps. Okay, so okay, get code. You click on one of the, once you add here an advertisement, you get a code, this section ID, you use it. Okay, now I'm using an string ID here, which is this is a name I called it because I want to save it here in the strings.xml, which exists in this folder. Let me go back to that root of the directory of the project, sorry, and this is the resources, the values, and then go to strings.xml, and then you should find such names, you know, where you put your app name. Okay, so just use the same names I'm using and replace the values here of the get code. Okay, it's better that you do. That's the best thing you can do. Okay, now app fireworks API key, you don't need it. Okay, this is just for monitoring your app performance. I mean, how much it's known and how much it's required by people and how much they love to use your app. Yep, and this one will start for you the icon based advertisement, the one that's similar to this one. Okay, however, you can have also audio based advertisement which won't interfere with users usage of the app. Okay, the interference that you will get, that when you shake the telephone, it will pop up the list of browsers that will open something that leads to what the advertisement is aiming at. Okay, or what the advertisement is targeting. Okay, and that's it. You just copy those as is. Now, the boot receiver file, you should create a new file named boot receiver, like this name, boot receiver. Okay, exact name, exact characters, case, same case, B capital and R capital. Okay, and you just copy this as is. Cool. Now, and this is used in the manifest here. And regarding the engagement, okay, you should find it also in the maybe in the notification. One of this you see when you put engagement. Okay, you should find a number somewhere here. Okay, here, see engagement tools. So you can make one here similar to this. This is the number of their engagement. Okay. So let's see if I'm doing it the right way. Engagement, yes, this is a number. So it's just a number from the numbers that you have in your portal on Leadbot. Okay, but it has to be of type re-engagement. Okay, so now you understand how Leadbot works. Okay, this is a service that runs in the background. Okay, and this section in the manifest and the see here I have the application section. Okay, and this is the application section in here. Okay, and this is where I highlighted the section where you should paste this one. Those are definitions used by Leadbot. Okay, so don't forget that you rename the part of the words where you have the random name of your package. Okay, this is mentioned in there on PDF, and don't forget to change this to, see I'm using wrong names here, so it has to be not the CLTK tutorials, it has to be cashier CLTK. Cool. So put the correct name of your package that's used in here. Okay, so you can refer to bootreceiver.java. Okay, Now if you have app tracker receiver installed, just add it. Okay, I don't have it installed. I don't have the package, this one installed. If you want, you can just add it. And this is just to monitor your performance, your application's performance. Okay. Now you have to add also some users permissions which are not added with the skeleton. Okay, when you got the first skeleton of hello TCL TK or TK TCL, whatever. So you should have wake lock, so it can always force the app not to do the locking of the screen. Okay, you have to put the boot received complete. You have to add also Wi-Fi access state and read phone state. Okay, and you can just copy this as is, see where the differences are, and just match them with your hello TCL manifest. Okay, and just add them. That's it. Okay, but basically I'm highlighting the important ones, and that's all. Okay, so this is all that you need just to have a working advertisement and start making money. Have fun.